Hello friends, uh, I have purchased iPhone 11 128 GB, and this is our green color and same green color cover. Today we are just going to unboxing iPhone 11 128 GB, and I got a good deal in Amazon and of like 50 to 60 bucks, and I was very much excited to open this box. And the box is quite good, and simultaneously in both iPhone 11 I have purchased this cover. This is a quite transparent one, and this slide box is just going to open your camera, and the camera is also this cover also in the same green, matching with the iPhone. So this is iPhone 11. Actually just now iPhone 12 has been launched, so I got a best deal in this like in seasonal Diwali offer, and quite impressive. And it is actually the color are there is so many colors available in the market, like in Amazon. All the colors are there, white, black and all that, but I choose this green. It is something different, actually 64 GB and 128 GB, there is three version is that, but I choose the middle one because I have using iPhone 4s earlier. After loading all the apps, it is fill up all these your storage after 1 or 2 years. So it's better to choose 128 GB, and it will cover all your apps and download it. During this purchasing, actually at the time of delivery of Amazon, actually due to COVID-19, we need to sanitize and all these things. So it is after sanitizing, we kept it one day more in outside, then I put it back to opening date today. And so okay, let's start to opening this box and have a view on this box. There is nothing else. There is a backside view of iPhone 11. There is two camera over here. There is inside panel. iPhone has been written in the logo. Okay. Let's start. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. And now you see the brand new iPhone 11, and it's quite heavy, I have iPhone 7, quite 3 or 4 years it is past, and it is running well, no issue. So this is really amazing, and oh my god, yes, the cover, nothing else in this cover. You see, man, blank. Yes, you see there's signing, glove signing over there, and it is just amazing. And there's a lid here. I'm going to show you this camera. True camera is a bigger size earlier to iPhone 7, and it is very similar to iPhone 7 as per the design. It is big in size actually, in diagonally, and what else? Same, the charger point, this one speaker, and here also one speaker, and there is no noise cancellations. There is a point, and volume off and down, and this is volume mute. This is a very unique feature in iPhone. And this is power off and on, you see. Actually, earlier I have used iPhone 7. It is a black color. I usually used black colors. At this time, I have purchased a green color. Something. It is not green actually. Some light green. Okay. Okay. Just I kept it side and see there is what else. This is the documentation part. What is designed by Apple, California, and some leads are there. iPhone logo and okay. Side away. This is the charger. Same earphone pack and the cord. Yes, the same like iPhone 7. Same pin. Okay. Here actually they have given 5 watt. Actually it is now it is overrated 25 watt. It will take time to charge. Anyway. Okay. Wow. 1, 2, and here we go. Yes. The logo Apple. See? Namaste. It says Namaste. Well, okay, this is the total unboxing of this iPhone 11 128GB, and the next time we just opening it and I will show the feature and all that. Thank you, and if you like it, just subscribe it. Thank you.